But right now, they've got to make stops because Powerade, 84 points, they're on their way to 100 if they continue with that trend.
Tandaan natin, yung 84 lang ang pinamigay ng Alaska nung sila'y manalo kontra sa Barako. Pero ito, nasa third quarter pa lamang tayo. Gabara! Flushes it through, parting the Red Sea! What a move! We're gonna have to see that over and over again, Jason. Pareho tayong nakangangalang dito, ah. Wow! 1.5 seconds remaining in the third. Ray Guevara rattling the rim. Wala ka pa rin masabi, Jay.
Nakita mo naman, when he was turning to his right, bumukuha na siya ng buwelo. I just didn't know if he was gonna make it dahil sa layo ng buwelo niya.
And landing nga, may pagkakataon pa to put an even bigger exclamation point on this quarter. Pero hindi na. Okay na yun. Yung dakdak ni Ray Guevara, Jay.
And right here, Ray Guevara going to his right. Brad, pang-profile pick ah.
Oo, sinama pa si Porte. Grabe naman. Pang-profile pick. Saktong-sakto. Yung galaw na yon. 86-64. Ray Guevara puts the exclamation point on this third quarter storm. It is Powerade by Big.